Was anybody was a kid that did these things? When you have some alcohol or tissue you put on your scab, you scream so loud, your soul come out your body. And that's just crazy. But what your mom do it is how you be like, ah! That's why you don't put alcohol in your scab, just use whatever the other thing called. But I'll still use it, cause look. See that scab? So, I think I should do alcohol. It doesn't burn. The thing don't burn. I've lost the toilet paper. Just look at it. Just look. I gotta do the day. It's just a short video. So, bye y'all.